Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BigQuery with service account JSON, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Google Cloud SDK installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where your service account JSON file is located. Set an environment variable to point to your service account JSON. Use the command export Google_application_credentials /path/ to your service account file.json for Mac and Linux. For Windows, use set Google_application_credentials C /path/ to your service account file.json. Verify the environment variable is set correctly. Next, open the Google Cloud Console and go to the BigQuery section. Click on the Create Dataset button if you wish to create a new dataset. In the dataset creation form, enter the dataset ID and adjust any settings as needed. After your dataset is created, open a new terminal window. Run the command bqinit to initialize the BigQuery command line tool. To test your connection, execute a sample query using the command bqquery use_legacy_SQL equals false. Select asterisk from project_id.dataset_id.table_id. Replace project_id, dataset_id, and table_id with your actual Google Cloud project, dataset, and table names. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the results of your query in the terminal. Now, you can start using BigQuery with your service account. For advanced usage, consider exploring the BigQuery API and additional query options. Stay updated with any changes in the Google Cloud documentation for the latest features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.